Kinematics of motion in a straight line. This is lesson number 2. Displacement time graph. Look at this sketch. Time is along x-axis and displacement is along y-axis. Time is independent variable and displacement will be a dependent variable. तो ये स्केच आप देख रहे हैं OABC. This is the graph. So first of all I will interpret the sketch. An object starts from rest and covers a distance of 10 meter in 5 seconds. For the next 5 seconds, जो line AB represent कर रही है, this is the horizontal line. The object remains at rest because no distance is covered. For AB, the object is at rest, and for the last 5 seconds for BC line, the object comes back to its starting point. So for displacement time graph, if we take the gradient of this inclined line OA, this will give us a velocity. And the gradient of line AB, because line AB is horizontal, its gradient will be 0. This means that velocity is 0, so the object is at rest. For displacement time graph, the gradient of the straight line represents the velocity. अगर हम ग्रेडियंट ऑफ लाइन ओ ए लेते हैं तो 0 पॉइंट है, एक 5 और 10 पॉइंट है, दूसरा ए पॉइंट. If we find the gradient of this line OA, we will get 2. Gradient is 2. This shows that velocity is 2 meter per second. The gradient of line AB is 0 because this line AB in the sketch is horizontal parallel to x-axis, so gradient is 0. This means that velocity is 0, object is at rest. And the last line BC in the sketch represents the object comes back to its starting point. If we take the gradient of this line BC, we will get the negative gradient. This shows that velocity is negative. Now next is velocity time graph. In the same way, we will take the time along x-axis and the velocity along y-axis. Time is independent variable and velocity is dependent variable. Time in second, टाइम जो है वो हम सेकंड में लेंगे और वेलोसिटी मीटर पर सेकंड में लेंगे. ये आप देख रहे हैं, ये यहाँ पे मैं रिप्रेजेंट करता हूँ ओ ए, फर्स्ट इंक्लाइंड लाइन ओ, this point is A, then horizontal line AB, then inclined line BC. First of all, we interpret the sketch of this. An object starts from rest. ये देखें यहाँ O से उसकी मूवमेंट शुरू होती है, तो यहाँ पे टाइम भी ज़ीरो है और वेलोसिटी भी ज़ीरो है. एन ऑब्जेक्ट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम रेस्ट एंड इन 5 seconds its speed reaches 10 meter per second. For the next 5 seconds, the object moves with constant speed. ये देखें ए बी जो है इसके along the value of velocity is 10. The velocity remains 10 within this interval 5 to 10. Velocity is same, so velocity is constant. An object starts from rest and in 5 seconds its speed reaches 10 meter per second. For the next 5 seconds, the object moves with constant speed, which is clear, that is 10 meter per second. For the last 5 seconds, the object slows down. जो last line BC है, that shows the object slows down and comes back to rest. Okay, the gradient of velocity time graph represents acceleration. ये देखें, if we are taking the gradient of this line OA, we will get positive value. This shows that the object is accelerating. The area under the velocity time graph represents displacement. तो इसका clearly the graph is a trapezium. If we are taking the area of this trapezium, we will get the area, we will get the displacement covered by the object. So next is the definition of uniform velocity. What is uniform velocity? The velocity is said to be uniform if the body covers an equal distance in equal interval of time.